Welcome everybody back to my channel. I'm going to do a Boxycharm unboxing video, which you guys have seen before. This is the August box, and there's been some sneak peeks. I think some people have already seen it, opened it, used it. Sneak peeks on Instagram. I got some sneak peeks, but do not really know what's inside. So here we go. Looks like a little smaller size box than usual. So totally Boxycharm, got our card. So we have the Wander Glow Ahead Illuminating Face Oil by Wander Beauty. Well, hydrates and absorbs into skin for a bouncy, youthful complexion. Spill proof dropper. MSRP on this one is $42. So I will put all the names in the description box and the prices as well. So these Boxycharm boxes are once a month, and it's $21 a month, and they're usually filled with five full-size products. And usually, oh, it does say like about over $100 worth of product. So this is Big Ego Tarte. Let's see if you can read that. Big Ego Tarte Mascara. Big Ego Lashes. This is what the brush looks like. Twisted double fiber bristles. They're so tight. Ah, there we go. We got it. So, oh, so bright. Very bright pink. Big Ego Tarte. And this one also feels very like weighty, slightly weighty. Really a big size, like large. Big box so you guys can see. This is it is one of those like shaped brushes, which I like. Yep, so that's the Big Ego Tarte Mascara. I'm not gonna try this one on yet because I have like lash extensions, so not going to be using that yet. And what do we got? Glitterly Pink Brightening Peel Off Mask. Oh, before I forget, the Tarte Mascara is, this one's $23 MSRP. This is Pure times Barbie. Glitterly Pink, Peel Off Mask, Licorice Extract, Green Tea, Vitamin B. So Peel Off Mask Exfoliating. Let's see if it... And it's sealed, so I'm not going to open it right now. But that is a brightening mask. Lashaholics luxury lashes. Oh wow, so those are the lashes. Those look really pretty. Fancy. Very fluffy brushes. Fluffy lashes. That is by Lashaholics Luxury Lashes. Comes in a really pretty box. Very gold, shimmery, fancy box for one pair of lashes. This one is Instaglam false eyelashes. MSRP is $14.99, so $15 for those. And last one is by Becca, Hydra Mist Set and Refresh Powder. So it's a setting powder from Becca. I actually have used several products from Becca that I like. I've been liking them quite a bit. So let's see. card. Becca Hydra Mist and Refresh Powder. MSRP is $39. And it says it creates a mist-like sensation on the skin or a seamless finish. I'm gonna open it, but we shall see. Keep me close to keep me cool. So it looks like you pull this open. Oh yeah, so I think you peel it off. So I'm not gonna peel it off right now, but it looks like it's kind of a very light blush pink color, almost like my shimmer powders, but this is a loose setting powder. And I think that's it. So I'm gonna line them up for you guys. We have the Glow Ahead, the Big Ego Lash, Glitterly Pink, Lashaholic, and Becca setting powder. And the card gives us Becca $39. Glow Ahead is MSRP on this one is $42. Wait, this one, yeah, $42 for this guy, just alone. The Tarte Big Ego Mascara is $23. The glitter mask is $26, and the Lashaholic is $14.99. So you can also, I think for September, I believe 4 times a year, you can upgrade to a Boxy Luxe for an additional $49.99. I think in September, January, April, something like that. Actually, I'm not really sure, but I'll find out and I will put it in the description box below. Yeah, we're at like 40, 82, 105, 131 plus 15 is about $150. So these 5 items are $150 for the MSRP. And it was $21 for the whole month, which is really good actually. Sometimes you get things that you may not use though, so not really sure about that. But sometimes your friends can use them, you know, or it kind of introduces you to new things. So that's all, folks. Thank you for watching so much, and be sure to like and subscribe. Let me know in the comments below how you like this, if you want any other formats. And I will see you in my next video. Bye!